Hi everyone, welcome back. This time we're going to be talking about how to trim a video in QuickTime Player. So first things first, open your video that you want to trim in QuickTime Player. I already have one opened here, how to delete Google account history. If you want to check out that video, in fact, you can check out it on our YouTube channel if you're interested in finding out how to delete your Google account history. But for right now, that is the video we're going to be using for this example on how to trim in QuickTime Player. So let's take a listen first to the beginning of the video and the end so we know what we're actually going to trim.
Hi everyone, so we're all here to figure out how to delete the history from your Google account.
So that's the beginning, and we're going to be trimming that, and then let's take a listen to the end as well.
And that is all that. And now you've deleted all your history.
Okay, so now that we know what those sound like, let's trim them. So what you need to do is go to Edit here and go down to Trim. Easy enough. And now a timeline of your video appears with a yellow border. And what you need to do is just click down on the left side of the border here and move it. Let's move it down about 5 seconds. And now let's listen to what that sounds like. Just press the play button right here.
The history from your Google account. Now,
okay, so that's where it starts now. And let's say we want to trim the end as well. We'll go down to the right side of this yellow border and move it over. Let's move it over about, I don't know, 7 seconds around. And you could just click down on the timeline here and the playhead will start wherever you click down. So let's take a listen to that.
Of your Google account, and thus will not be able to delete the history from your Google account. And
so as you just heard, it got cut off there because we trimmed it down a bit. And you just then, if you're satisfied with the results, then you just press trim right here, and now you've got a new beginning. You could take a listen now.
The history from your Google account.
And then take a listen to the end.
Account, and thus will not be able to delete the history from your Google account.
Okay, and if you want to get a little more microscopic with your trimming, let's go to trim again. And instead of just clicking down and moving it right away, let's hold down at the ends. And as you just saw, it zoomed in a bit on the timeline. So now we can get a little more microscopic here and move the timeline, the border over with fractions of a second now. So as you can see, we're moving decimal places here. And let's just move it over just that much and we'll hear
history from your Google account.
Let's try it again, and so we can zooming in.
From your Google account.
Okay, as you just heard, the word history was cut off just a little bit there because we were able to get in on a more micro level. And let's take a listen to the end as well. So
to delete the history from your Google account. And
so let's say we want to cut off that and there, so that's just out of there. We'll move it over a bit.
From your Google account. Now I know what you're thinking. Delete the history from your Google account.
There we go. We got rid of the and so we'll press trim, and now we've got a new video
from your Google account
with the trims at the ends.
And thus will not be able to delete the history from your Google account.
And that is how you trim a video in QuickTime Player. So all you need to do now is you can save it here, or you can export it. So export as, however you want the quality to be. 1080p is best if you want to get it close to the way the video was before, and in terms of quality. And that's all you need to do. And you've got a brand new video with trimmed ends.